Let me go by him. Yeah, I couldn't come down. He's out! Matt's out. Kristen, move! Move up. He's behind that bush.
I don't want to hit your girlfriend in the face. That's not cool. Oh, get the camera off.
Come on, really, bitch.
That's my only cover, is that little fucking Christmas tree.
Duck behind the fucking hill. He's like, I'm standing out in the open, dude.
I know, I'm trying not to, but I don't see him.
Oh yeah, headshot on cow.
Your mom is so fat right now.
Why?
Because I guess Penny said
Yeah, there.
I don't want to drive there.
Fuck, please. Get the camera off. Alright! Oh,
Oh, booger.
Where'd you get hit?